What I've got they used to call the blues. Nothing is really wrong, feeling like I don't belong, walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
Welcome back to our channel and trust you're doing great. If today is your first time, you are most welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are highly welcome. So today, guess what? We are reacting once again to the Carpenters, and they're doing Rainy Days and Mondays. So people, let's sit right back and enjoy this amazing masterpiece from the Carpenters. And 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's Karen.
Talking to myself and feeling old.
Oh.
Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
Oh, I can relate to that.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
What I've got they used to
Oh.
blues. Nothing is really wrong, feeling like I don't belong, walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days and Mondays always
Oh.
get me down.
Ooh.
Funny, but it seems I always wind up here. Nice to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing
Oh.
I do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before.
Oh.
No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
Oh.
Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who
Oh.
loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down.
Oh.
That was lovely. Absolutely lovely. Thank you, Karen.
Rainy days and Mondays. Oh my goodness. Karen's voice so pure and pristine.
Yeah. So angelic and
Oh
beautiful.
my goodness, angelic. And oh my goodness, I just always am baffled when somebody's playing the drums and singing at the same time, how they're able to combine the two.
Yeah,
It's
she's an
just
extremely talented
baffling.
woman, that's why.
Yeah, she was, and so beautiful, beautiful inside and out. She was truly angelic.
Oh yeah, true genius.
People, so we're going to sign off. We really enjoyed this. Every one of the Carpenters songs are just a masterpiece. We're signing off now. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. I can really relate to it. We can really both relate to it. All right, people. So bye.
Bye-bye. Talking to myself and feeling old. Sometimes I like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I've got they used to call the blues. Nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Walking around some kind of lonely clown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel has come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel has come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.